This is a tea. Hi guys, so I just started my vlog guys. Medyo okay yung panahon ngayon, hindi siya masyadong mainit. Look at that. Yeah. Tsaka may coffee tayo. Tea time! Yan lang naman guys, sa Galleria Mall. Diyan lang naman ako pupunta. So malapit lang siya guys. Yan yung kailangan natin, sea salt. Then, gusto ko ng spam or luncheon meat. Chicken luncheon meat? Fried chicken again. Oh no. Saan ba dito? Ito na lang siguro. Hot and spicy. Oh. Let's try this. I haven't tried this one. Let's go to hot and spicy, guys. Okay. Ganda sana to kasi ano, olive. Pero walang maliit eh. So let's try this one, hot and spicy. Okay. What else we want, guys? Kasi magluluto tayo ng ano guys, fried rice. Tawag dito, ano tayo? Hanap tayo ng tuyo mansi. Yep, tuyo mansi. So yan. Kasi tayong seasoning na iba eh. So let's try this seasoning. So wala namang seasoning dito guys. Light soy sauce, spicy seafood, peri-peri. No, they don't have another seasoning except this one, so it's okay. So now let's go to a shampoo. Let's find the shampoo. I need a shampoo. So, no, I don't like shampoo and conditioner. Only I need shampoo. Yeah. So let's try this one. So yun lang bibilhin natin guys. So yun guys, pupunta lang ako dyan sa building na yan. I feel that this month guys is really magastos. So what can I do if I am magastos? Ay nako Lord. But I will try my best. Next month hindi na tayo bibili ng kung ano-ano guys. I'm just buying something very important. So yun. Let's see what I will get from this shopping. Yeah, this is what I needed. 500. Mas matibay ba to? Yeah. Barbie. Ganda nito. If you are a slim, ay kasya to sa akin. Magkano to? Ganda nito oh. Ano nga ba to? 3 real something. Ang ganda nito oh. Hurry up. Ganda nito guys. Sobrang ganda nito, oh. Aesthetic, oh. Oh, Japanese. Ito talaga yung mga kahinaan ko, guys. So yun guys, i-haul lang natin yung mga nabili natin. This is from the Q&S. So I got a, hindi ko na lang ilabas, yan lang naman, tissue guys. It's 920 or 100 plus pesos. Leo, I'm hauling. Then I have this, ilang piraso to? How many pieces is this para garbage? I think this is 10 pieces. Also have scissors because I will try to cut Leo's hair. Leo! Because guys, ang haba na ng ano ni Leo, oh. Hindi ko kasi siya pwedeng madala kasi bukas, kasi usually Sunday bukas, sarado yung mga pet shop. So hindi ko siya talaga walang time. So I have wet tissue para kay Leo yan. And para sa akin, then I have this one para sa ating carton. That two is for the Q&S. Okay? Next, from Fairphone. Kasi gusto nga natin mag-spam guys, diba? Yun ako napanood na video. The spam rice. I have that, what do you call that one? Sibuyas, because we don't have sibuyas. I also have sibuyas dahon. And patis. Rock salt. Of course, my Head and Shoulders. And my seasoning para sa ating spam rice. That's it guys. So yun lang naman guys ang napamili ko for today. So ngayon guys, gusto kong linisin yung bahay ko kasi usually Saturday night talaga ako naglilinis para bukas makapag-sleep in tayo. So I will update you later guys. I-clean ko muna tong bahay na to, tapos magluluto muna tayo. So I'll update you later people. So yan yung cravings ko guys. Yan, spam yan. Spam and egg. So, kain tayo. Tapos lagyan daw ng ganito guys.
I don't know what you're talking about. What I'm talking about is all walk out of the hero. Alright. Now all we gotta do is get rid of Lula and Lumiere. We got the other guys to play along. And we can revenge and put down our sergeant's killers. All we gotta do is tell the story right. You're right.
Maganda daw ito kabango ng ng kwarto or ng CR. Tapos guys, downy or whatever softener you have. Yan. Yan daw. now it's 12 guys, pero magtapon tayo ng basura. Yan. Tapos bibili tayo ng bili tayo guys ng ng tea. Tao guys, oh yan, wala ng tao. Ako na lang. Ako na lang guys ang natitira dito na tao sa mundo. Pero malapit lang kasi guys, sa baba lang ng building tong tea time.
How you put? You didn't let me see how you put.
You blogger?
No. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
But it's hot. You have
Tissue?
tissue?
Yes, thank you very much. So here guys. Hi guys, good morning. So pangalawang open na natin to na vlog guys. So yung unang open ko na vlog at saka ito pagsama lang natin. So today is Monday. Kung di ako nakatulog guys kagabi, nakatulog ako ng mga 3 hours lang, around 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 hours 10. Parang going 4 hours lang yung yung tulog ko guys. So very bad. Kasi ini-aim ko talaga sa buhay ko matulog ako everyday ng 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours. Pero today I just sleep like that. So wala tayong magagawa niyan. May break time naman ako mamaya alauna. So kailangan nating matulog ng at least 2 hours para hindi tayo masyadong antukin. Para kasi meron pa tayong next shift na 6 hours guys. 6 hours na next shift. So yun. So yun lang. Update ko lang kayo mamaya guys. Kasi kailangan ko lang itong i-arrange itong mga na to. Sobrang kalat. And meron tayong customer umaga guys. Kaso lang kailangan natin itong ayusin itong ginawa niya. May customer ako nang gugulo ng maaga. So kailangan natin ayusin mga bagay-bagay. Anyway guys, ang dami kong gawin today. Meron akong mga bagong kasi may exhibition na naman kami guys. So good luck again to me. Alam kong madugong labanan na naman to. So kailangan ko talagang matulog ng bongga-bongga these days. Para may panlaban tayo sa mga trabaho. Kayo din ba guys? Naramdaman nyo ba din ba ng nararamdaman ko? Alam mo? Hindi ko naman sa pinagmamayabang or whatever. Maraming tao na naghahangad ng trabaho. At trabaho na ganito. Pero pag hindi ka na talaga masaya sa ginagawa mo guys. Alam mo, masaya ako sa mga ginagawa ko. Masaya ako sa mga ginagawa ko. Ang hindi ko lang, kasi na-burn out siguro talaga ako na sobrang trabaho. Ilang years na to guys. As in, hindi ko talaga, wala akong matandaan na, alam mo yon, yung isang buwan na nakahilata lang ako. Wala akong ginagawa. As in, nagtatrabaho talaga ako all my life guys. And sadly say, all my life that I have been working, wala pa rin na pala guys. Diba? So yan, mga bago namin na abaya guys. Kailangan kong lagyan ng tags to at saka prices. The same from here. These are also new. I have to put prices and tags and in the system as well. So yan guys, medyo busy tayo ngayon. Ngayon lang naman. So from the very first day of the month until now, ngayon lang tayo mag-start na busy. So we are 23rd now. So, diba maayos naman yung trabaho ko guys. Pero hindi ko alam kung bakit tinamad ako magtrabaho. I don't know really. So, hopefully matagampayan natin to kasi by next month again, I do have an exhibition. So, it would be very busy for me guys. So, balitan ko. I like this abaya. Very flowy lang siya. Nice. Gusto ko to kasi ganito guys, abaya. Kasi naka-shorts ka sa loob, halimbawa lumalabas ka. Still good, right? Ganda nito. Ganda din ang color. This is 18 real or 2,000 pesos, guys. Is it worth it to pay? Hi guys, so 5 minutes before 10. Probably uwi na tayo after this, guys. Sobrang napagod ako today. I did all the business already in the system. I already put all the businesses in the system, guys, and I'm almost done for the prices and the tags. So probably will be tomorrow, it will be all finished and cleared. So it's quite long day for me. And also yesterday, you know that I never get to sleep. Not never get to sleep, guys, but since yesterday was my off, so I woke up 8 p.m. in the evening, so I have struggled to sleep again. So probably, guys, today we're gonna go sleep early because I feel tired today. So wala na akong magagagawa, guys. I-close na natin tong vlog na to. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon, guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong mararating sa vlog na to, but I have to close this vlog. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. Please click the bell button below so you will be notified on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye!